In this guide, you'll learn how to add a product to wishlist in Temu. Let's get started. First, launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, locate the product that you want to add to the wishlist. You can browse through the home page to find your product, or also you can search for it. If you want to do so, click on this search bar given at the very top, type in the product name and search for it. Once the product appears, click on it. Now what you have to do is scroll down. Now here you're going to find the option of save. You'll need to click on this little heart icon. Just with that, the product will be saved to your wish list. By following the same steps, you are able to add other products as well to your wish list. Now where can you find your wish list? For that, head back. Go to the home page, then navigate to the You page. Over here, you're going to find this section of wish list. Click on that, and here you're going to find all the products you have added to your wish list. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.